Bananas are a staple food for millions worldwide. From the humid tropics to your local supermarket, the journey of this fruit is a testament to human ingenuity. Modern farming technology plays a crucial role in this journey. It ensures that bananas are harvested, processed, and delivered efficiently. This delicate fruit requires careful handling at every stage. The global demand for bananas is enormous. Meeting this demand requires advanced agricultural practices. Traditional methods are no longer sufficient. Technology has stepped in to bridge the gap. Every step from plantation to plate has been optimized for maximum yield and minimal waste. This is a story of efficiency, precision, and the delicate balance between nature and technology. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of banana production in the 21st century. Gone are the days of solely manual labor in banana harvesting. Today's plantations utilize cable systems for efficient transport of banana bunches. These systems minimize damage to the fruit, a stark contrast to the rough handling of traditional truck transport. Specialized vehicles equipped with cushioning systems are now commonplace. These vehicles ensure that the bananas reach the processing facilities in pristine condition. Bruising, a major concern in the past, is significantly reduced. Despite these advancements, the human touch remains essential. Skilled workers carefully select and cut the bunches, ensuring only the best bananas are harvested. Their expertise is irreplaceable, guaranteeing the high quality expected by consumers. Technology complements, not replaces, human skill. It's this synergy that allows for the mass production of such a delicate fruit. Once harvested, the bananas begin their journey to processing facilities. Speed is crucial here, as the fruit must be processed quickly to maintain freshness. Trucks equipped with specialized containers ensure a smooth and rapid transit. Upon arrival, the bananas undergo their first transformation. They are detached from the main bunch, a process known as dehanding. This careful separation prevents damage to the individual bananas. Next, the bananas are thoroughly washed. Immersion tanks and gentle water sprays remove dirt, debris, and any lingering pests. This cleaning process is essential for maintaining hygiene and ensuring the fruit's longevity. This initial handling stage is all about speed, hygiene, and care. It sets the stage for the more intricate processing that follows. Section 4. Precision and efficiency, washing, sorting, and pre-cooling. The washing process is just the beginning. Modern processing facilities employ sophisticated sorting systems. Bananas are categorized based on size, ripeness, and quality. This ensures that only the best fruits reach the market. Conveyor belts, a marvel of modern engineering, transport the bananas through various stages of processing. These belts are meticulously cleaned and maintained, preventing contamination and ensuring a smooth flow. Pre-cooling is a crucial step in preserving the banana's freshness. Within 12 hours of harvest, the fruits are subjected to controlled temperatures. This slows down the ripening process, extending their shelf life. This combination of washing, sorting, and pre-cooling showcases the precision and efficiency of modern banana processing. Each step is carefully calibrated to maximize yield and minimize waste. Section 5. Export readiness. Dehanding, packaging, and cold chain management. With initial processing complete, the bananas are meticulously prepared for export to ensure quality. Dehanding, the careful separation of banana hands into smaller units, is often carried out to facilitate handling. This process facilitates easier packaging and more efficient distribution. Packaging plays a critical role in protecting the bananas during their long journey to various markets. Plastic liners and slip sheets are used to prevent bruising and damage. Sturdy cardboard cartons, specifically designed for fruit transport, are then used to ensure safety. Palletization allows for efficient handling and stacking of the cartons, optimizing space. Forklifts easily move these pallets, streamlining the loading process onto shipping containers, making it faster and safer. Refrigerated containers, known as reefers, are essential for maintaining the cold chain, which is crucial for freshness. These containers are temperature controlled, ensuring the bananas remain fresh and in perfect condition during their journey across the globe. This intricate network of packaging, palletization, and cold chain management ensures that the bananas reach their destination in optimal condition, ready for consumption by customers worldwide. Section 6. Beyond the fresh fruit value-added products from bananas. The journey of the banana doesn't end with fresh consumption. In fact, it is just the beginning of a fascinating transformation process. The fruit's versatility extends to a range of value-added products, each with its own unique appeal and utility. Banana chips, a popular snack enjoyed by many, are created by slicing, frying, and flavoring ripe bananas to perfection. Banana puree, a versatile ingredient in baking and smoothies, is made by pulping ripe bananas. This puree can be used in a variety of culinary applications. This puree can be canned or frozen, preserving its flavor and texture for extended periods, making it a convenient option for many recipes. Banana powder, a gluten-free alternative to flour, is produced by drying and grinding bananas. It is a nutritious option for those seeking healthier ingredients. This powder is gaining popularity in health-conscious diets, being used in baking, smoothies, and other health-focused recipes. Even the banana fiber extracted from the plant's stems finds use in textile production, showcasing the plant's full potential. This sustainable material highlights the banana's remarkable versatility, contributing to eco-friendly practices in various industries. These value-added products showcase the banana's economic importance beyond its role as a fresh fruit, providing significant benefits to the agricultural sector. They provide additional revenue streams for farmers and contribute to reducing food waste, making banana farming more sustainable and profitable. Section 7. Sustainability and the future of banana farming. The large-scale production of bananas presents significant environmental challenges, including soil erosion and loss of biodiversity. Sustainable farming practices are crucial for minimizing the ecological impact. Reducing pesticide use, conserving water through efficient irrigation methods, and promoting biodiversity by integrating diverse plant species are key areas of focus. These practices help maintain a balanced ecosystem. Research and development play a vital role in creating disease-resistant banana varieties. Scientists are working tirelessly to develop new strains that can withstand pests and diseases. These advancements reduce the need for harmful pesticides, benefiting both the environment and consumer health. Healthier plants mean healthier bananas for everyone. Fair trade practices are essential for ensuring the well-being of banana farmers and workers. Fair prices, safe working conditions, and access to healthcare and education, and community development initiatives are crucial components of a sustainable banana industry. These efforts help build stronger, more resilient communities. The future of banana farming lies in balancing efficiency with ecological responsibility. Modern technology and eco-friendly equipment are paving the way for a greener industry. By embracing sustainable practices and supporting ethical sourcing, we can continue to enjoy this beloved fruit for generations to come. It's a collective effort that requires commitment from all stakeholders. The journey of the banana, from plantation to our tables, is a testament to human ingenuity and the delicate balance between nature and technology. Each step in this journey is crucial. As we move forward, it is our responsibility to ensure that this journey remains sustainable and equitable for all involved. Together, we can make a difference for the future of banana farming.